is 30 minutes of riding. Been very good, great feeling, and uneventful, as it were. And I've stopped now at a quite infamous British landmark, the site of the Great Train Robbery with Buster Edwards, was it? And what's that? Bike's doing fine, and this is a place called Ledburn in Bedfordshire. And the railway bridge looks fairly unassuming these days. You see the rail lines being electrified, and I think it wasn't too long ago Ronnie Biggs had his photo taken in front of this bridge. Been working on a farmhouse nearby, unfortunately not the one where they held up and counted the money. Anyway, the bike's doing great and really enjoying it. Looks like it's going to need a bit of a change, but worth it.